Should we praise her?
You guys praise her.
Okay.
I don't praise her.
Good job, honey.
And then it would be stay right after. So good job and then stay.
Good job and stay.
Exactly, because you want to praise her, but you also want to remind her that's not a release.
Right.
So a lot of times we give that attention right away, and then the dog's like, all right, they said good boy, good girl, now I can get up and go back to being crazy. So like I said, a lot of this is going to be setting up those scenarios.
Good girl.
Look at you.
Stay.
Yeah, there you go. And even if you were to come over and pet, you would say stay, and then you go and sit back down.
Gotcha. Okay.
So it's really just, in the beginning right now, it's like micromanaging, but it's only micromanaging to change her frame of thought as far as, you know, controlling you guys. Whereas now she's got to wait for you guys to give her the signal. Before, she was giving you guys a signal, and then you guys were just reacting to her. Whereas now, we got to wait her out, and she's got to realize, I'm gonna, you know, like I said, if you making dinner at 7, at 6:30, I would pretend. I'd go in there, I'd open up the oven, pots and pans, all of that stuff, and as no. So this is attention. You know what I mean? Coach Mike's talking to my folks, telling them all my secrets. If I chew on this bag, I'm gonna distract Coach Mike for a second. Yeah, for a second, but then we're still gonna go right back to you still chilling out. You know what I mean? Nope, come on. Saddle. Yeah, you're fine.